debate and discussion, a meeting was held.
The burden of drafting this constitution fell on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and I have no doubt that we are grateful to him for having achieved this task in a manner which is undoubtedly commendable.
The text prepared by Dr. Ambedkar provided constitutional guarantees and protection for a wide range of civil liberties for citizens, including freedom of the religion and the abolition of untouchability.
Constitution is a set of rules and regulations that is accepted by all people living together in a country. It is a supreme law which determines the relationship among people living in a country and also their relationship with the government.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे